Welcome to Rejuvenation's guide for installing a plug-in sconce. Perfect for elevating your bedside and freeing up space on your nightstand. Plug-in sconces are quick and easy to install on your own. We'll walk you through the installation process and give you some tips and tricks for a successful project. To get started, you will need to gather some essential tools: a pencil, measuring tape, screwdriver, drill, and drill bits. Mounting hardware like wall anchors and screws are included with our plug-in sconces. You can also use a stud finder or a laser level to make the installation process easier. We recommend hanging your sconce about 20 to 30 inches above your nightstand. The exact placement will vary based on the height of your nightstand, bed frame, headboard, and overall aesthetic preference. If the sconce has a switch, be sure to install it where the switch can be easily accessed from a sitting position in the bed. After measuring twice to ensure your desired location for mounting, hold up the plug-in sconce mounting plate and mark the top and bottom screw hole spots with a pencil. Use your level to ensure the plate is straight. If you are installing two sconces, double-check that they are level with each other before drilling. Next, pre-drill the holes you marked, then drill your mounting plate into the wall. Ensure the security of the mounting plate, then attach your light fixture. Tighten the screws around the fixture to secure it to the wall. Screw in a light bulb and then plug in your sconce. Now comes the best part, turning on your light. If you want the cord to hang straight down below the light and your outlet is farther away, consider using an extension cord. Keep the cord in place by using a cord stay, an easy way to tailor the look. Now you're ready for reading and scrolling with cozy, warm bedside lighting. Easy to turn on and off from where you're sitting. Visit Rejuvenation's website to shop our range of plug-in sconces and add functional style to your home today.